And there's a few people that has been like that for me, and I go, "Once you in, you in. You can't leave."
We're also fortunate to work together at Iowa State for a few years too, so I've been fortunate to be able to call you a colleague here too.
Oh.
Uh,
She podcast audience, she was part of my reason why I even considered Iowa State. Like, once we saw the position there, I was like, "Oh, I could be there with her? Oh, we could do that. That's fine." And there was other blessings that came with Ames, Iowa, but she may have been the first reason why I was like, "I'm
Oh,
going to Ames. I can live
oh,
long as she there. I can survive."
oh. Well, it was fun having you here. I missed you. Missed you.